6 ingredient frozen fish and veg oven supper. So I've got 2 salmon fillets, frozen. They're frozen, you could use fresh. Getting a bag of cauliflower rice, sprinkle with some salt. I'm going to bake it super hot oven, so 250C, which is 480 F, for 10 minutes. 2 ingredient curry mayo. So I've got 4 generous tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 to 3 teaspoons of curry powder. I'm going to go for 3. I like it pretty punchy. Just stir that in, and you've got a super delicious sauce. So after 10 minutes in the oven, I'm happy that the rice, you just want the cauliflower rice to be hot and the salmon to be cooked through. I like mine a bit pink in the middle, so you may like to leave it for longer. Then to serve, I'm just going to put the cauliflower on my plate, top with some salmon. I'm going to do curry mayo on the side, and then I'm going to finish it with some coriander, or you could use mint or parsley or basil even, and then either fried shallots or some roast peanuts. I'm going to go with fried shallots today.